What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and we are back on our review tour. So this is the holiday seasons, and I am going to be ramping it up, you guys. I am getting products from companies, partners, and all this stuff. So they like the way I do my reviews, and here we are with another pair of heated socks, and we have another pair of heated socks. This one is the third pair, and then the other one I have over here is the fourth pair of heated socks, you guys. So salute to the partners that I'm dealing with that like me doing these reviews. And I, for one, want to say that for me, the heated socks are awesome, okay? Here's the reason. I don't like winter. I love everything with heat. Let's go ahead and unbox this. With the heated socks, it actually gets really hot when you have it on very high, you guys. So if you're not used to like really hot stuff, I don't suggest you to put it on the hottest setting there is. Even if you're in the snow, that's just me. And wow, these are thick, like very thick. Even if you just want a pair of thick socks, these are good. Now, I believe the size may be universal. We have the 2 battery packs right here, and it's in there very tight. Okay, of course we got a cord. And here goes the power banks. So when you need to actually power up your sock, there you go. Last but not least, you have your washing mesh. So what I do is, of course you can't wash the battery pack. This is not washable, you guys. So go ahead and put these to the charger. When you wash these, I put the cord inside of the pocket right there where the battery pack's supposed to go. And I believe this one is app activated. So we will go ahead. I don't know if it's the same app or do I have to download another app. So I will let y'all know about that. And I believe it's the same app. This is the same app, I believe. So what I'm going to do is download the app. The app is right here. So if you do have this pair of socks, all you have to do is put your camera to this QR code, scan it, download the app, and then that will be it. Just like with my last socks, I will try to go over this with y'all with the app. All right. The other socks that I have don't have the app, so it don't have a app. It's all manual. I'm just gonna let y'all know the truth. I don't really use the app when it comes to the heated socks. I will just go ahead and use the battery manually, and I will just set my temperature like that. But you do have more options when you have the app. You can do better adjustability. You could do better adjustability when it comes to the app. And yeah, so let me go ahead, put these on, let y'all know how they feel, let y'all know how hot it gets. Yeah, so let me go ahead, put these on the charger. I will get back to y'all and let y'all know how the socks feel. All right, you guys, so right now I have the socks on, and I want to say that these are thick and comfortable. That's the first thing I want to say. Now, I have the app on as well, but I just want to show y'all basically the sock real quick, that it comes up to your knee right there, right below the kneecap. So it's not like really over the knees. You could probably put it over the knees if you really like force it, but it will come back down to you right underneath of your kneecap. If you need to know, I am a size 11, and you still have some more space if you need to put it on. Don't know if you can see that, but you'll have more space. Maybe probably 14 might be able to fit, but they don't really have a size chart on there. So that's the only thing about these socks. Now, that's about it with the socks. Once again, they're thick, tall, and very stretchable. Now, somebody asked me before, do the battery packs feel uncomfortable? I'm gonna be honest with you, you could barely, you don't even notice the battery packs when you're like walking or anything. So that's for me. Maybe for you, you might feel it. Now, let's go ahead and get into the app. So you have sock 1 and sock 2 when you look into this app. This is something similar to the green socks that I purchase, it uses the same app. So I'm assuming it may be the same company. I'm not really sure. I didn't really check. So they both use the same app. So right now I have it on 104. That's just a standard setting. So you have your 104, 122, 140. And once again, if you can stand the 140, then, you know, that's good. But if it's too hot, then bring it back down. Now, you have more control with the app, as you see. As far as the app goes, you can go all the way down to 95. Now, if you didn't have the app, you're stuck at your 140, which is the first bar on your battery pack. And then 122, which give you two dots, not bars, but 2 dots. And then 140 will give you 3 dots, and it works both battery packs. Now, another cool thing is if you want to just work one sock only, you can disconnect from one sock and just work the other sock. So I disconnected sock 2, and if I just want to control one sock, it will just control sock 1 since it's highlighted. So sock 1, which is this battery pack over here. So right now I have it on 1, and this one is stuck on 3. Okay, so if you need to control just one sock, maybe one foot get hotter than the other foot. You know, I don't know the reason why you need to control one sock, but that could be a reason. Maybe one foot get hotter than the other. So I'm going to put it back on 2. And when I put it back on 2 socks, the other sock's still 3. So you will have to like tap 2 and then tap back to 1. And then both socks are activated. Okay. All right. So that's the temperature. Now we're going into the timer. You do have a timer on here, guys. If you want to put your socks on for 1 hour, 2 hours, you have the option to do that. I didn't wear these socks a full day, so I can't really tell you how long the battery lasts. The only thing I could tell you is, you know, go by whatever it says in the manual. So I would say I usually post the manual anyway, so you can go by those specs. Usually the specs in the owner's manual is accurate. I tested out my other socks before, so it was pretty accurate. I had it on low, and it lasted for like 10 hours for my other socks. So with me, I could only take low when it, or maybe like medium, but the third level gets really hot for me. So that's for me. It haven't snowed or nothing, so you know, maybe if it's snowing or something, maybe I can stand the heat of the third level on these things. And you could tap these little 3, well, look like 3 squares right there, but on the left side is a yellow little tab right there. You can click that and you got a little bit more options to see right there, but it's basically the same thing. It lets you know quick heat, timer, heating, and all that stuff. And then you got operation manual. You could click that, and then you can go through the whole manual of what we was talking about, basically, which is interesting. Just in case you lose your manual, that will be a very helpful thing. But that's just the operation manual as far as, you know, the app. All right. So with that being said, that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns about these socks, please let me know in the comment section, and then I will get back to you as soon as possible. I try. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.